Do you want a laundry bar soap that cleans deeply, lasts long, and make clothes sparkle? Today, I will show you how to make powerful laundry bar soap with just three ingredients. It is affordable and perfect for home use. Starting your own business. Okay, so let's do this. Welcome back to today's video. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make laundry bar soap with high cleaning properties with just three ingredients. So watch this video to the very end. So the first thing you see me measuring there is my salt, which is 12 grams, and I'm about to measure my caustic soda, or I'm measuring my caustic soda now, which is 125 grams. Everything will be on the screen, so just look at it very well. You are going to see the measurements. Everything will be at the screen. And why my scale is like this is because I don't know that my light is reflecting on that. It is after I finished making the video that I noticed it. So sorry for that. Okay, so after everything, so that is the salt. Okay, that is the 12 grams of salt. All you need to do is to pour it inside your water. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. You first pour it and stir. Okay guys, so watch this video carefully, relax and watch it to the very end. About the measurement of water, I know you'll be wondering that what is the measurement of water. I'm going to tell you the measurement of water maybe at the middle of the video or at the end of the video, so you should keep watching, don't skip any part so that you get to know the right measurements. Okay, so it is time for me to add my caustic soda. Okay, the caustic soda that I have measured earlier, 125 grams. So all I need to do after adding it, I'll stir. Okay guys, make sure you are careful when stirring this, because caustic soda is corrosive. Okay, so that is it on that guys. Please watch to the very end, just relax. I'm going to tell you the measurement of the water. Don't go anywhere, just stay with me, stick around. That is the only help you can render to me. I'm teaching you this for free, and I'm going to tell you the measurement of water if you watch this video to the, let's say, to the end of the video, because I'm going to say it, but I don't know when I'm going to say it. Just continue watching first. That is the only thing you can render to me. And make sure you like this video. Okay, if you come back to ask me the measurement of the water, it means you did not watch the video, because I'm going to say it in this video. Okay guys, so after everything, I'll just keep my light solution to cool down, and this is my PKO, which is half a liter. Okay, in this production I'm using half a liter of PKO. So after that, I need to pour in my fragrance. Okay guys, the fragrance is optional, but I decided to, it's not compulsory you should add fragrance to it, but I decided to add mine because I want my soap to smell nice. Okay, so you can see the PKO is so clean. My vendor is back. So because in my other video, the PKO that I use is so black as anything, is because my vendor is not around. So guys, thank you so much. If you have watched to this extent, subscribe, like and share. Okay, after watching, make sure you share this video to the right audience. Okay, so guys, that is my mixture. It has cooled down, so it is time for me to pour it into my PKO. Okay, gently as you are pouring. Okay, after you pour, you begin to stir everything together. Make sure at this time you mix everything very well. You mix everything very well. Mix it very well till you notice that trace, that there is no longer water or oil on top of your soap. Okay, stir, 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 stir. Okay, so you can see how my soap is looking beautiful. And one good thing about this soap is that you may be wondering that in this soap I use salt to make the soap. I'm going to tell you now. PKO is the best oil that give the soap rich lather and cleaning strength. And when we talk about caustic soda, when you use caustic soda for your soap, it reacts with the oil to form the soap. Okay, so you can see it is time for me to add it into my mold now. And the salt that I just used, the salt is for hardening the soap and make it last long. Okay, you will be surprised, right? So it is time for me to pour it into my mold. And remember, when you are doing this, remember to wear your hand glove, even your goggle with when you are handling caustic soda, and always walk in well in a ventilation area, okay, ventilated area. So that is it on that. So guys, thank you so much. So after I've added it into my mold, I'll just keep it. This one I don't need the next day for it to dry. After like 8 hours, 6 hours, I will unmold my soap and my soap will be ready to use. Okay, so that is it. So guys, after the 8 hour later, my soap is ready. Okay, and that is it with just PKO, caustic soda, and salt. You can make a powerful laundry bar soap that is cost effective and high quality. If you find this video helpful, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more soap making tips. You can see the soap is so strong. You see, it's very, very strong, like so strong, and it's clean, neat, smell nice. You can see, oh my god, I love the soap, like it's beautiful. And the color, mind you, I did not add any color. I did not add any color. After the soap dry, it changes to this white color, and I love it. I said let me leave it like this for today, because in all my video I've been using orange color. I said let me leave this one today. So guys, thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. Okay, like I said about the measurement of the water. The measurement of the water I use, do you want me to tell you guys now? Okay, I use 400 ml of water, yes, in this production. But if you are using bleach palm oil, you don't need to use 400. Okay, in case you'll be saying in this video, I'm going to use the same 400. It's because me, I use PKO. But if you are using bleach palm oil, please, I advise you use 250 ml of water. Yes, it's 250 because this thing, what is it called? Bleach palm oil is different than PKO. PKO contains water. Okay, so it is time for us to use our soap to wash. Let's see how it's going to foam very well. Okay, so you see, and I'm washing with it. One good thing I love about the soap, the smell, the hardness and everything. You know, if soap is like this, it will last very long. Okay, so any inquiry, or if you want to tell me anything, you want to register in my online class, you can sure DM me. My number will be showing on your screen. Okay, I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. Thank you, and I'll tell you the measurement of the water. Don't come and ask me. If you ask me the measurement of the water, it means you did not watch the video to the end. Okay, so that is it on that. Yes, guys, I love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.